Hello guys! This is the very first and fundamental points. Once you understand it, you can start earning thousands of dollars. As you might have guessed, we're talking about technical analysis. I will show you how you can earn a couple of $1,000s in one trading session without even trading at the same time. Just watch the video attentively and repeat after me and you're welcome. Let's go! Hello my dear traders! Welcome back to my new video, and today we'll run a usual trading session. We'll try to make several $1,000s and technical analysis will help us today. We're trading with this type of analysis today and I'll tell you how I think while opening deals. I'll explain you where I open deals, how I analyze the chart, and I'm sure this video is going to be extremely useful for everyone, especially for those who's not making money on options yet. So actually there is nothing complicated about it, and today we'll just analyze some fundamental rules of technical analysis, and I'm sure they will help you to at least increase the win rate of your deals. In the middle or in the end of the video, I'll leave a very pleasant bonus for you, so be sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss anything. Okay guys, the first interesting case is here. Let's get ready to open the first deal. For now, I'll open it and explain you what's the point and why we open a deal here and with lower. Look, what's the main point of technical analysis? The basis of bases are levels. I think that all of you really know really well how levels work. There is a particular zone of resistance and why. So market had been moving upward, but in this place something stopped it and the trend was changed. It happened for a reason, not randomly. Then it's a strong uptrend. The market is getting a reaction from the same area. Is this happening for a reason? For sure. It's likely some big seller is interested in this zone, and right here they're opening positions with lower. And guys, please answer me one very simple question. If the market had been rolling back from the same level twice, 3 times, then what's the chance it will happen for the 4th time as well? I think the chance is pretty big. And this is why we do nothing extra. We just, open a deal in the same direction, which is used to work out at all the previous times. So in this concrete case, we observed a decrease from this area 3 times, and for the 4th time, I opened a deal with lower here. The market was retraced again, and we earned $460. Great! So guys, we move to analogical case. I open a deal with lower here, and let's mark level of resistance on this chart now. We take several clue reversive points, just stretch this area or horizontal line here. It depends on which tool you're using, and we get a potential zone for this current movement's reverse. For now, we entered a little higher, but it happens pretty often, so liquidity is set off. It concerns those traders who's trading, for example, with a leverage or a margin position, but it's important to understand some updates of maximums, like it happened right here, are acceptable. What matters the most is the candle's body being formed in the right area, just like it's happening now. So what do we have here? Well, there's a clear zone of resistance which is formed thanks to this reaction, thanks to this point too. So based on this movement, we can form a zone of resistance. This movement is 100% suitable for trading, but as we didn't notice it but entered the market just now, then the perfect point for opening a position with lower is this area. As we see, a reaction is preceded. The market reacted from this area 4 times, so there is a high chances of it happening for the 5th time. And we're observing such a rollback, which lets us earn. I set a notification on this level. In case we get back here, I'll open another deal with lower once again. Why not? Look guys, the case is almost exactly the same. We open another deal, open tools. Here we choose such an area and draw it how we like it. In fact, the same resistance area, same working out, it's just we're using horizontal levels. But actually this is a very important and strong tool in technical analysis, because a lot of people guide on levels, trade from levels as well, and our goal is prognosing a reaction from some essential zone. There are obviously some risks, yes, like when there's some strong trend and trading from levels becomes a little more dangerous. The case implies a flat on the market right now, with the lower border and higher border, you can see it, and in terms of this movement, we can trade with higher right here and with lower here. By the way, another deal brings us $460 of profit. Great! So, what we can expect from this flat? Well, we can expect such a movement to the lower border, and right here we open the deals with higher. Here we open them with lower. And guys, hear me out, it's essential. Be sure to set the time of the finish of one candle's formation so you can see it, because if we fixate above this level or this one, it likely means exit out of this zone, and if we leave the zone and test it more than that, it likely means the trends change. For now, there is a flat, but we can safely exit this flat, go either up or down. Well, let's act on situation here. So guys, here's the next trading case. We're waiting for the candle to be formed, open a deal with lower, and it's all the same here. And not the zone of resistance, because the chart's been rolling back from this area not once, and right now we're expecting a reaction. If we still fixate a lot higher than this area, it would mean that the market, after such a significant fall, had been traded in this area, and now we're ready to exit and start an uptrend. So in fact, this is such a reversive structure here, but for that we need the candle's body, or at least one or two, to be fully formed and fixated about the area of resistance, and it would mean the trends change. So the tendency of the market is changed from a flat, moving from level to level, to some trends movement. We're going to see how the deal's closed. Well, we're lucky, it's closed really good, but now in fact we're observing an exit out of this flat. This flat, just like previously, has higher and lower borders. So we're observing how the case is developing here. If the candle's closed is green, then we'll try to open a deal with higher, hoping for the market to win this fallback. So guys, I think that we can try to open a deal with higher for a few minutes here. As we see, there was a complete exit out of the accumulation zone. So now for our market, for this particular case, there are all chances to start an uptrend. So we open a deal with higher for 2 minutes. The sum is increased one now as the balance grew up pretty good, and we'll see what will happen. So guys, as we see, 11 seconds left till the deal's closure, and the market indeed start its growth. I really like that everything is following my plan for now. It's really pleasant to see, and moreover, we earn very good at that. Let's find the last case literally and an opportunity to open a deal, and we'll summarize results. Guys, look at this case, it's pretty interesting and I'd like to show it to you. What do we see here? There's a strong support zone here, from which there were a lot of reactions of the buyer, so this level was formed as essential for buyer for real. And we even got a small reaction from this level once again, but now we fell below it. So, the structure of the market is that we either break this level through and start a strong movement down, or we get back to this level for a second testing, and only after that, after the test, we keep this local downtrend. According to the plan, we got back for testing this level, and as the last trend movement is in downward position, it's likely we're going to continue this fall. So I opened the deal with lower. By the way, the time frame is 2 minutes, as a 1 minute time frame doesn't hold the full case, and I opened a deal for 2 minutes accordingly. Guys, the market starts to follow my plan only from the second try. I needed a little more time for its realization, yes, and what matters the most is that the second deal is being closed on a profit, so it covers the previous loss and brings more profit. I was maximum sure about my plan. As we see, the market continues evolving this downtrend. Moreover, there's such a trend line here. So we can switch to 1 minute chart so it's showed more correctly. As you see, there is nothing complicated about trading. What matters is understanding the logic of a market's movement, the structure of such a movement, and finding the entry points that are profitable for you. We don't enter the market just randomly, we don't make prognosis randomly, clicking higher, lower buttons chaotically, never. If I trade with higher or lower, I know for sure what I'm doing. A perfect workout of the prognosis, guys. We made $4,000 today just in one trading session. Unbelievable, and I hope this video got a lot of beneficial information for you, which you can try and practice. And don't forget that today I'll keep trading in my free Telegram channel. So if you want to copy my deals to repeat after me, then follow the link in the description. I'll be waiting for you on my daily session. Thank you so much once again, and we'll meet in my next video. Bye bye!